Hi everyone, this is Muad from JB Academy. In this video, we're going to discuss a very important lesson, which is apply unit rate, unit price. Our objective will be find, compare, and use unit price. Here we start. What we mean by unit price before we start? Unit price is a special kind of unit rate, but in unit price, we need to find the price or the cost of each unit of the items. That's it. So we have to find the unit rate. This means we need to divide. This means we need to divide the numerator by the denominator to find the price of each unit. For example, if you go to the supermarket, you want to buy something, some items like cans of Pepsi, for example, and you ask him, how much this box? The box has, for example, 12 cans of Pepsi. So you start to think, how much? He will tell you 36 riyals. So you ask yourself, what is the unit price? What is the price of each can? So I divide 36, divide 12, then I get 3. So the unit price is 3 riyals for each can. Here we start. Here we have some movies offers. Offer 1, 4 movies for 20 Saudi riyals. The second one, 2 movies for 11 Saudi riyals. The third one is 6 movies for 24 Saudi riyals. Now the question is, find the unit price. What I mean by unit price, unit rate. Then which one is the best buy? Which one is the cheapest? Now, by looking at them, I cannot decide. So I need to find the price of each unit in each offer. So how this will be done? Here, the first one, I need to find the price of each movie. So 20 divide 4. 20 divide 4. I'm finding the unit price by dividing. Remember this, by dividing. 20 divide 4, so 5 Saudi riyals. The cost of each one, each movie in the offer one is 5 Saudi riyals. In the second one, you can buy 2 movies online for 11 Saudi riyals. So the unit price we need to divide. So 11 divide 2 equals 5.5 Saudi riyals. Now, in the third one, we divide 24 movies, $24 by 6 movies, so we get 4 Saudi riyals. Now, we have found the unit price for each offer. Now, which one is the best buy? Now, after we find the unit price, it is easy, my dear students, to compare them and choose which one is the cheapest or the best buy. Here, 5.5 for Saudi riyals. So the third offer is the cheapest or the best buy. So because each movie will cost 4 Saudi riyals, so it's better for me to buy 6 movies for 24 Saudi riyals. Another example, which is the better buy? Now you want to buy something. 2 books for $15 or 6 books for $45. You went to the bookstore, you want to buy books. He told you you can buy 2 books for $15 or you can buy 6 books for $45. Then you start to think, you want to compare between them. You want to know which one is the better buy, to buy 2 books for 15 or 6 books for 45. So in this case, we need to find the unit price, the price of each book. The price of each book. Always, I want to give you a good note. Divide the money by the items, the number of items to find the unit price. Divide the money by the number of items to find the unit price. In the first offer, we need to divide the money, which is $15 over 2. 15 divide 2 equals 7.5 Saudi dollar for each book. In the second offer, we need to divide 45, divide 6. If we divide 45 by 6, let me show you. 45 divide 6 equals 7. 7 multiply 6, 42. Then we subtract, we get 3. Then we add 0, and here point. 30 divide 6 equals 5. So when we multiply them equals 30, then 0. So which one is the better buy? Which one is the best buy? You know, after we find the unit price, we find that in the first offer, the book cost is $7.5, and the second one is $7.5. So there is no better buy. They are the same. They are the same. That's all about our lesson, unit price. You need to find the price of each item in number of items. This works especially in offers. Thank you very much.